Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Python, and today we are going to learn about list in Python. So in Python, a list is an ordered collection of objects. A list can contain different types of objects, even other lists as well. A list is enclosed by square brackets where each element is separated by a comma. So let's take an example of a list. First we take as list 1 is equal to 1. So here's a list, and if you want to print a list, simply write print list1 and run the program. So there it is. If you want to print any index, like the indexing is similar in everyone, like maybe it is an array, or it is a tuple, it is a list, it is a dictionary, it is the same. So if you write the index and you just print the index value. If you write list 2 as like this is an empty list. To just, if you, it may be helpful in some programs looking forward. Now we'll learn how to concatenate a list. So we'll write, for suppose 6, 7 and 8, and if we write list 3 is equal to list 1 plus list, and just print list 3. So there we go, the whole list is printed. Now let's see slicing. How, if we write print list 3 from 2 1 colon, so it will print the list from second index, the similar way as we did in tuples. Okay, you can check the video. The video is in the playlist. And now we'll learn about sorting. Like if you want to sort an array, sort a list. So we need an, like, let's take another cell. List 5 is equal to, okay, list 5 dot sort. Okay, so we get a sorted list. Now we'll look at append. If we write list 5 dot append list 1 and print list 5, so the whole list is appended to an index. You can see there, this is index 0 1 2 3 4 and 5th index. This is the whole index. Now if we write list 5 dot extend list 1 and print the list 5, so this is the second time this append worked. We run the program, so we get this second time. But extend works like this is a whole elements. It will add all the elements in the another list. Okay, so now if you want to find the minimum of the list, so we'll write print minimum of list 5 and similarly print maximum of list 5. Okay, there's a list, so we cannot do that. Let's do it in list 1. So there we go, 1 and 5. Now if we want to replicate, we can just write like this, let's do it in another cell. List 6 is equal to a into 4, and print list 6. So this is similar as we did in tuple. It will just replicate it 4 times. Now if we want to find the index of an array, of a list, sorry, so we can just write print list 5 dot index of, for say 5, say 9, this one, that is the 4th index. If you want to count, then we'll write print list 5 dot count. So it appears 2 times. This is another list, so it will be counted as the whole element. So this is different. Now if you want to find, like if you want to check whether it is a member or not, so we can write print 2 in list 5. So that is true. And if we want to print the length, then print length of list 5, that is 12. Then if you want to pop an index, like pop is a function that will remove the last one and has written the last value, right? If we write print list 5 dot pop and print list 5, so the last element is popped out 5, and if we print the list, that is deleted from 5. We can also like pop an element from another in the middle of the list as well. If we write pop and specify the index, if we say 6 and print list 5 and run. So this whole list is popped out, right? So now if we want to insert at a certain index, so we can write print list 5 dot insert, this is the index, and we want to insert 23, and now we'll print list. Okay, I have written, now we'll run this. Okay, pop index out of range. I'll just comment this, or else it will pop out whole list. Now we can see, can just see. We don't need to write print, right? Also it will print none only. Okay, like this. Again, it has added 23. Now if you want to reverse the string, like we can also do that, like list 5 dot reverse, and just print that list 5 there. That will print the list in the reverse manner. We can also use remove list 5 dot remove the object, like remove, I want to remove 2, and I will print list 5. So the 2 will be removed. Okay, so this is list in Python. Thank you guys for watching it. I hope you liked it. So we'll move forward with new on another topic in Python. Thanks for watching.